Denotation and connotation, two kinds of meaning. Denotation. The denotation is the meaning of a word. This is what you find in the dictionary. For example, the word freedom is defined by the Merriam-Webster dictionary as the quality or state of being free, such as the absence of necessity, coercion, or constraint in choice or action, liberation from slavery or restraint or from the power of another, independence. The quality or state of being exempt or released, usually from something onerous, freedom from care. Connotation. Connotation is the meaning associated with a word. So this goes beyond what you find in the dictionary. That same word, freedom, has a connotation as well. Think about the feelings or thoughts you have when you hear the word freedom. After thinking for a moment, you may have come up with a few feelings or thoughts that you connect to freedom. You may have been thinking about the founding principles for the United States. You may have been thinking about opportunity, prosperity, danger, human rights, etc. These thoughts or feelings influence the way we think about the word. This is a good example of how much variety there can be in connotation. These two images were side by side when I did an image search for freedom. Another good example is the phrase illegal immigrant. In 2013, the AP, the Associated Press, updated their guidebook for their journalists. The new rule suggests that writers avoid using the word illegal immigrant unless they are quoting someone else who uses the phrase. The rationale was that illegal immigrant had taken on a negative connotation. The job of a journalist is to present a story in an objective, neutral manner, so the use of a word with a negative connotation would not be appropriate. You might notice most news reports now use terms like undocumented worker to refer to people who have entered a country without following proper procedures. Why does this matter? Understanding the distinction between denotation and connotation helps us write more effectively because it is important to understand how the words we use may be interpreted.